Have you ever stared at your phone, waiting for his reply, wondering why his energy feels so cold, so distant, while you're giving your all? Here's the truth. Most women think love fades because men change. But often, it fades because of words left unsaid, or words said the wrong way. What if I told you? The right texts, at the right moments, can transform how he sees you, can make him not just reply, but long for your attention, crave your presence, and even fall in love with you all over again. Welcome to complete comfort and lasting wellness. If you're new here, Dante, forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because what you about to discover might completely change the way you communicate with men forever. Chapter 1. Why texts matter more than you think. We live in a digital world. For many relationships today, texting is the heartbeat, the constant pulse that connects the people across distance and time. A text is not just a text. It's a reflection of your presence, your tone, your vibe. Psychologists agree. The way we communicate through small messages shapes the bigger emotional bond, and spiritual teachings remind us of the same. A good word is charity. Think about that, Tiff. Even a simple, kind word counts as an act of giving. Then what about the words we send to someone we love? Your texts can either build intimacy, create desire, or slowly push him away. The choice is in your hands, literally at your fingertips. Chapter 2, Texts that Melt a Man's Heart. Let us break down the kinds of texts that Dante just get replies, but make a man feel deeply connected to you. 1. Appreciation texts. Men crave respect and recognition. They want to feel like their effort is seen. Example: I love how you always find a solution, even when things get tough. It inspires me. Why it works? Respect is the oxygen of a man's love. 2. Playful texts. Playfulness builds attraction and keeps the spark alive. Example: okay, I just saw someone trip over their shoe, and it reminded me of your dance moves. Why? It works! Men love humor, and being playful keeps you unforgettable. 3. Curiosity texts. Mystery is magnetic. Example: I had the most random thought about you today. Remind me to tell you later why it works. Curiosity makes him chase. It keeps him thinking about you. 4. Affectionate texts. Example: talking to you feels like the calm after a storm. Why it works? It goes beyond surface level attraction. It speaks to his soul. 5. Respectful distance texts. Sometimes silence or short, dignified responses command more respect than over-explaining. Example: instead of, well, aren't you texting me back, say, looks like you're busy. I'll talk to you later. Why it works? Dignity creates value. When you don't beg for attention, you raise your worth in his eyes. Chapter 3, Texting Mistakes that Kill Attraction. Now, here's where most women go wrong. Over-texting. Flooding his phone with constant messages. Guilt tripping? If you loved me, you'd reply. Emotional dumping. Sending long negative rants. These texts don't build love, they drain it. Balance is key. Chapter 4. Wisdom that lasts. Healthy relationships are built on respect, mercy, and kindness. True love is never forced. It grows in a space of trust and calm communication. So when you text, let your words reflect peace. Let them bring joy, not stress. A woman who communicates with grace doesn't just gain a man. As attention, she earns his respect and his loyalty. Chapter 5. Texts for sensitive moments. Sometimes you need to text in moments of conflict or after mistakes. Here's how to do it wisely. After a fight, I value us too much to let anger speak louder than love. When he pulls away, I respect your space. I'll be here when you're ready, when you want to inspire him. I believe in you more than you realize. These are not just texts, they're bridges back to the heart. Chapter 6. The Psychology of Attraction Through Texts. A man doesn't fall in love because of beauty alone. He falls for the way a woman makes him feel about himself when he's with her. Your texts should remind him that he is strong, admired, respected, and desired. Psychology proves that reinforcement, positive words, recognition, playful energy shapes how someone sees you. With every message, you're writing the story of your relationship. Conclusion, a call to love and confidence. So, the next time you pick up your phone, ask yourself, am I sending a text that makes him feel drained? Or a text that makes him feel alive? Your words are your power! Use them with wisdom, with grace, and with confidence. Because here's the truth. When you text with dignity, playfulness, appreciation, and respect, you won't have to chase love. Love will chase you. If this video touched you, make sure to hit like, share it with a friend who needs this, and subscribe to Complete Comfort and Lasting Wellness for more relationship wisdom that transforms not just your love life, but your whole sense of self.